This video is completely generated using code. We have written the code, and by using that code we can render the video, and this is the output of the video. It is beautiful, and we are using a Remotion project for this video, like video generation process. This is the website where we can copy the command and install those packages, and we can use them to build the videos. Hi guys, welcome to Bharath Tech Code YouTube channel. Yeah, we can see a video we can generate. It successfully generated using the code where we written using AI. By using that code, we can converted those code into video by using Remotion project. Like we can install those Remotion skills, and we are just written the code using AI. By using that, we can build it successfully. Like video is built successfully, and we have seen the video. I had opened the video. We have seen it is beautiful. Like we have generated information about the LLM models. Yeah, we have seen it is very good. Like the smooth animations, like how it works, everything, and real world uses, chatbots, writing, search, and coding purposes we are using, and the future is here. Yeah, video is successfully generated, and it is so much good, and we are using OpenCode software for building these beautiful videos. And OpenCode is an free AI IDE. There we can use models and generate videos. And yeah, we have already like Remotion project we are using for generating these videos, and this is the website where we can copy the commands, and we can install those dependencies in our system, so we can generate videos, beautiful videos. We have seen these are the interfaces we can build by using the code, and yeah, we can manually write the code, or else we can instruct with a AI agent to write those code. Yeah, we have using open source like OpenCode AI IDE to use this for writing the code and building the like professional video. And we have already instructed create another video, generate what is AI. We have already seen a video is generated, but for now we can generate another video. Yeah, OpenCode is an open source IDE where we can use free of cost with some models. OpenCode will provide limited models. By using that models, we can use in our projects. We can build websites, we can build applications, and same like that we can build videos, what we have doing right now. uh, yeah, video is generating, and we have seen multiple models is there, like MiniMax M2.5 free model. It is powerful model for coding and tasks, like most of the tasks. And Nematron 3 super free model. This is NVIDIA's model. It is also good model. And yeah, before we can like we are generated a video, right? And we have seen that video. For that we need to instruct like set up Remotion and generate video. Before we have instructed that, using that instruction, the agent will download all necessary packages of Remotion project. And yeah, by the way, we have done using this OpenCode open source IDE. It is free to use, like some limited models, but it is enough to do basic tasks, that too free. And we have seen the commands, By using those commands, we can download uh, this Remotion project, like packages and all. And the video is building on live. And yeah, wait for completing of generation of video. After writing the code, it will automatically render the video. And there we have seen like the code and all in the source path, and those are the node modules that would need to use this project. And yeah, we have seen the process. First of all, I had created a fresh folder, and I had instructed download and set up Remotion, and we will build videos. I had instructed that, and this agent will successfully download those Remotion and necessary dependencies. Along with that, like after that, we can instructed create a video what is LLM models in 30 seconds. And it can like it had successfully created a 30 seconds video of what is LLM models and all. And some brief intro is there, like brief script is there of the like how video we have created, like title, definition, how it works, use cases, conclusion and all. And we have seen already the output of the video. And yeah, first of all, it will generate a script, and after that I had instructed do that. I had shared a instruction, and after that it has generated a video. And along with that, it will provided where the video is located. We have seen that. And now we have instructed create another video, generate what is AI. And we have seen the script, everything. And yeah, video is successfully generated, and it has showed a path. In that path, the video is there. Yeah, we have seen the scenes and all, like step by step, title, definition, key concepts, application, conclusion. Yeah, we have generated like by using this Remotion. Yeah, along with that, by using a cloud code to generate these videos, we have like more perfect videos, and a lot best videos we can generate by using those cloud code model, because of it has some more capabilities of generating a professional videos by using this Remotion project technology. And yeah, we have seen the scenes, everything and all. Like we can just check the video. And yeah, these are the step by step process of how we can generate videos using Remotion. If you want another video of how to set up OpenCode, like you can comment down below and we can generate another videos. And we have seen multiple models is there. We can use another models like OpenAI's ChatGPT model, and OpenRouter by using OpenRouter API keys, ChatGPT's LLM models. Like we can just give those UPI keys. After that, we can use those models in this OpenCode IDE. And we have Anthropic and lot of models is there. And yeah, so many other models also there, like GLM model, and also lot of famous popular LLM models also available. We can use those models by you giving the API keys. And most of the popular models are there. We can use that models also. Along with that, we have GPU AI's GLM models also there. And Olama, we all know about Olama. We have done a video before that. And we have Xiaomi models also there. Yeah, by using that models we can explore those models also by using this IDE. Yeah, we have seen the output of what we have generated a video of what is AI. It is good. The interface and the text, mm, like what is AI, artificial intelligence, those we have seen before. The scenes info, it has successfully generated those scenes perfectly. Like we have seen the beautiful interface of what is AI and all, and we can play this video to see in detail of what is what would generated in this video, and we can play this video. Yeah, we have seen human intelligence. AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It enables computers to think, learn, and decide. Yeah, more like it has provided a brief info. It is good, and yeah, these animations also good. Key concepts: machine learning, learn from data, neural networks, deep learning, NLP, natural language processing. Yeah, simple, clean, and eye-catchy animations. It is good to generate these type of animations by using the code. Especially, we can write we can generate these videos using AI through free. And we have seen real world applications: robotics, healthcare, gaming, face recognition, self-driving cars, voice assistants, and recommendation system detection. These are the applications where we have used AI, and it is good. AI is the future, transforming every industry and daily life. Yeah, it has generated a beautiful video. Yeah, totally it is good, and we will give the best prompts. We can expect much more better videos, and we are just checking is this 1080 video by instructing those agent, and yeah, we can manually check video resolution also. Yeah, it has given response of it is 1080p. Yes, it is 1080p, but we can generate up to 4K, and we can generate 2K videos, 4K videos, 1080p, 720p, 480p based upon our requirement. But yeah, if you want high quality like 4K videos, and your configuration need to be high, and if you use low configuration PC, your PC will some little bit high heating, and yeah, you can generate those videos also. Yeah, we have successfully generated these videos and all, like using this Remotion. We have seen the step by step process. You can also try this in your PC or else laptop. Like hope you can understand the step by step process clearly, and hope you can understand the video. If you love the video, you can like, share, and subscribe. You can subscribe my channel to get more videos, and comment down below if you want further videos about the open code and all. And thanks for watching.